Highly recommended. Excellent location, very nice staff, cute and clean. I'll be back soon. Great hotel. Stayed here for 2 nights and the staff were very helpful and really nice. Rooms were clean and location was perfect for us. Pleasant stay all over. Good price quality close to center. Perfect to visit Amsterdam. There is a tram stop right in front of the hotel and multiple restaurants and cafes around, also a grocery store. Water is cheaper. The quality price is really good and the staff is super nice. Recommend for sure. Cozy hotel. First of all, the staff there are very friendly and they will help you with any issue you're gonna face. The location of the hotel is outstanding and there is a tram line in front of the hotel. I highly recommend this place in Amsterdam. Very good, very good. Exceptional. Perfect location. Tram station is right in front of the hotel. Lovely neighborhood, nice restaurants and cafes are just opposite and supermarket and shops on the same row. Spacious room with very helpful hotel staff. Great neighborhood / great value. Wonderfully quaint hotel in a warm neighborhood in South Amsterdam. Wonderful array of stores on the nearby streets. Tram out front with direct trips to the museum / central station / the Jordaan. Very personalized attention by the staff. Wonderful and cozy restaurant with a sweet place to sit by the fire. A definite value for the price. My fave hotel for a stay in Amsterdam. Been coming here for years. My favorite hotel and location to stay in Amsterdam. Close enough to all things in the city and perfect area if you want to have a relaxing stay. Staff is also great. Great location. Great location and staff are friendly. However, the bedroom was kind of dusty and there was a spider web and some leftover socks in the closet.